Hi, I'm Dave, and I'm here with a few professional tips to help you add a little luxury to the room with PPG Metallic Tones, the same PPG paints that pros like me have trusted for over 130 years. And with these tips and the quality of PPG paints, we'll have you painting with confidence and getting the results that you want. Now for this room, pink is definitely a choice, but I think we're going to go with the color Astute, which adds a touch of luxury and richness, and also adds a brighter feel. As with any job, make sure you prep the walls for a clean, smooth surface. Remove artwork and window coverings, along with wall plates and light switch covers. And keep the screws with them. A gallon of metallic tones covers about 200 square feet in 2 coats, so for our accent wall, 1 gallon should be plenty here. Now oftentimes when applying a specialty paint, and also depending on the original color of the wall, which in our case is this delightful hot pink, it may take you several coats to completely cover the wall. Now we've already applied the base coat, and now we're applying the metallics. I'm using a premium 3/8" nap roller. You're going to want to work in square sections, moving in a downward V or W shape. This is going to create a textured look that really allows the light to pick up the edges. And then dab around the edges with a small sponge insert. Before the second coat, check the can label for drying time. For my second coat, I'm using a faux finish sponge roller to add dimension to the surface and really let the color catch the light. You're going to want to move from top to bottom, and you can get really creative with the direction of your rolls, but just make sure you're overlapping slightly. And then again, a downward sweep from the top to the bottom. Then dab around the edges with a small sponge insert. If you're painting trim, brush evenly in one direction and enjoy the luxurious new look.
And keep metallics in mind next time you're painting any specific architectural features, an accent wall, or trim. Another professional looking job. We'll see you on the next painting project.